What's up, guys? eBoyLun2011. You read the title. I'm trying to flip this paper airplane. Part 2. Yes, I'm trying to flip this paper airplane. Back in 2 years, we didn't. But we're gonna do it now. They've drawn this, by the way, as you can see. Alright. We're gonna do next video. We haven't gotten the idea yet for next Friday. Stay tuned on next Friday's video. Alright, let's jump into it. Let me move the camera so as you can at least. There we go. Okay. Alright, now we're ready. Alright. Wait, you can't see it? Oh, wait. Let me just. There we go. Okay. There we go. Nope, did not land. I didn't want that. It did a little bit. Just a little bit. You know, it's very hard to flip this paper airplane, by the way. If it did, but I didn't like it, has to. It's just doing something. It's not even like flipping. It's just that. I mean, it will go down and flip, but it wouldn't. No. No, did not do it. Come on. That was back in there. Okay, come on, this is the one. That was not the one. I don't think it even flipped. Oh, that was it. It just didn't. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna say, it's not flipping. I'm just not flipping. Right in the tablet station. Dang. Can I just flip this, please? It did not flip. Did land, not flipped. Come on. Dude. Nope, did not do it. Jeez. Dang! It just landed on the back. Nope, not it. Nope, that's just gonna be a bummer. Did that? I don't know if that flipped. It wasn't a good angle. No, I don't think it flipped. If it did, it did, but I didn't see it. Dang it. No, it's just so weird how these paper airplanes move because you never know if it actually flips. So I just have to look into it. No, did not do it. No. Come on. Dang. It just doesn't have enough pressure. It just doesn't have enough. Because the tip is not even good. As you can see, tip is broken. So that's a problem with me. Oh man, it's just that the tip matters. I mean, I've seen it flipped, but in probably 10 million tries you have to do it. And I don't want to take long. Whoa. Right back to me. Oh my gosh. Can this thing flip? I just want it to flip. Dude, can you flip, please? What? Come on, flip. Oh my gosh. It's not flipping. Did that just double flip? That did not double flip. I mean, it was almost a double flip. We're only looking for a flip. That's all we want. If it's a double flip, I'll count it. But we were not looking that for. I'll count it as a flip. But, oh, that was so close. Dang. Flip. Come on. It just doesn't have the wing. It just, oh my gosh. It just, I need to put more pressure in there. I have to, I mean, it did something a little bit. It's just, it doesn't have enough pressure. Okay, time to, okay, that was perfect, but it wasn't that accurate. Come on, this is the one. Guys, it flipped, but it was this position. Does it technically, wait, I am flipped. Does it technically count? I mean, it flipped. You know what? We're gonna count it. You know what? We're gonna count it. Excuse me from me. We're gonna count it. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Sorry about the excuse me, sorry. I'm actually really sorry for that one. It flipped. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Peace. Bye.